Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a dog playpen and super excited about this one. It is soft-sided, but it has stainless steel structure to it. So we're going to go ahead and put it together, and then we're going to see what Peppa thinks. It's this really nice high quality Oxford cloth, so you can wipe it off. Has a little bit of water resistance to it. And you have these really nice mesh portions. You're going to get a lot of breathability with this. I also love that you can collapse this and take this wherever you need to go. So I already started doing some of the steps. Step one is you get poles and you need to put them together. I've put most of them together. You have two different sides. They fit into each other and then you screw them together. That is step one. Step two is to open up the playpen and spread it on the floor. Step three is to take the tubes and put them through the bottom of the playpen. Make sure that the open side is face up. Next, you get connectors and you're going to connect the steel tubes at the corners. Next, you get 4 straight tubes. You are going to place the fabric tube over the corner and then insert the steel tube. Okay, as I'm moving around the outside edges, I did have to put the tube into the side pocket first, then put the metal tube into the connector piece, and then I was able to pull down the cloth tube over the connector because it is tight, but you want that because then you have really good structure. Okay, next we're going to put the large bars in the tube part of the fabric and then add connector pieces. Okay, I have all 4 corners in. I forgot to mention that you want to make sure that you have this whole connector on the bottom because it comes with suction cups. And if you have this on a hardwood floor, you can put the suction cup in here and then it will suction to the floor. The next step is also helpful if you have a person, and what you need to do is you need to just shove both sides together so they're nice and tight. I could do it by myself this way, but it would be helpful having another person. This also comes with a cover that you can put on the top in case you have a jumper dog. You just open it up and then you're going to attach it to each corner. Attaches with a hook to the black hook on the outside. Just like that. And voila, let's take a close-up look and then see what Peppa thinks. Okay, here she is. I did speed this up because I have so much to show you. The zippers on this are amazing. The material is awesome. And I love that there are no sharp edges on this. You just roll up the front flap and the dog goes in. Peppa went right in. She's absolutely loving this. It feels like a little nest for her. Here's a little close-up of her just enjoying her area. This is perfect for indoors or out. It has that great Oxford cloth, tear-resistant fabric. It's the perfect pet playpen. This would be great for a puppy. It is anti-tipping. You could also use this for your cat if you need it. I love that the cover comes off and it is just perfect definitely check this one out. We love it.